guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about my current favorite makeup products. It's a list of 10 products that range from lipsticks, concealers, foundations, eyeshadows and everything that I currently love. Some of these products are also my absolute all-time favorite products. Also, just as a side note, I do keep uploading a lot of my favorite products and keep doing reviews and swatches on my Instagram stories. So if you don't already follow me on Instagram, then definitely do follow me at this handle right here. And as always, before we start, if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you never miss a video from me. And also, if you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let's get right into it. So the first product I'm going to talk about is my absolute favorite foundation at the moment. It is the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. Now, a lot had been said of this foundation since it released and everyone was raving about it, but there were a couple of people who weren't extremely happy with it. I, for one, do love this foundation. It is absolutely full coverage. You know, we have darkness around our mouth, we have pigmentation on our skin, and what is amazing about this foundation is that it is so full coverage. It covers absolutely everything. And the thing is that even when you're wearing it, even face to face, forget on camera, but even face to face, it doesn't look like you're wearing that much makeup. It doesn't look like you're wearing an extremely full coverage foundation, which is why I absolutely love this product and I definitely do recommend it to every single one of you out there. So I am in the shade 340G Baklava and I am a MAC NC41, and I think that is the most generic comparison I can give you out there. The next product that I want to talk about is something that I've discovered of late. It is from NYX, and NYX kind of sent me this massive package of like a lot of makeup products from their range, and this product was one of them. Honestly speaking, I wouldn't have gone out and voluntarily picked up this product because when I look at it, I immediately think it is super oily, and me having combination skin, it's never gonna work for me. But now that I've tried it, I am absolutely in love. This is the NYX Honey Dew Me Up. I don't know if you can see it, but that is exactly what it looks like. It's basically a clear sort of a serum. You can say it's not exactly a serum. This is something that you can use on a daily basis, you know, before your moisturizer or something like that, but I only use it before I apply my makeup, and believe me, my face looks a lot more radiant after I have applied this. I'm not kidding. I think it's the gold flakes in it or what it is, I don't know, but my makeup goes on a lot more smoothly, and I have noticed there is a stark difference in the finish of my makeup when I have applied this as opposed to when I haven't applied it. So yes, definitely product number 2 I absolutely am loving at the moment. The next product I want to talk about is one of my all-time favorite products. I've been using this product for almost a year and a half now and I cannot get over it. It is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This product, I mean, oh my god, I have tried so many concealers before this. I've tried so many concealers after this. Before I discovered this concealer, the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer was my favorite. But after I've discovered this one, I mean, oh my god, I love it. It is so creamy, it is so thick, it conceals so well, and the best part about this is I don't need to use a corrector under this for my under eye circle. I don't need to conceal and highlight separately. This does both the jobs for me because it is in a shade lighter than my skin tone. I definitely recommend each and every one of you to go, and if you can get your hands on this product, I bought mine from Ulta in the US. Unfortunately, they don't deliver to India, but if you can get your hands on this product, just hands down close your eyes and buy this concealer. It is absolutely phenomenal. The next product I want to talk about that I absolutely love is a drugstore product. It is the Pumped Up Collossal Volume Express Mascara by Maybelline. Now, there is nothing to be said about Maybelline mascara because they're cheap, they do the job, they're waterproof, and just everything about them is so perfect. But from the entire Maybelline range, I think this mascara is absolutely fantastic because the bristles of this mascara, as you can see, they help you get those really volumized, amazing lashes, and 2 or 3 coats of this mascara and you're set. You look like you're wearing falsies. I'm not kidding. The next product I want to talk about is this gel eyeliner from NYX. It is also something that I received in the package that they sent me. And once again, I wouldn't have thought of going out and buying a NYX gel eyeliner just because there are so many options that are already tried, tested, and absolutely phenomenal in the market, which is, you know, Inglot, Maybelline, MAC, Bobbi Brown, L'Oreal is what I use. The one I use I said last. But anyways, so all of these products are out there, but when I tried this baby on, I mean, I cannot tell you how darker than black and jet black and how creamy the formula is. So definitely one of my current favorites. The next product I want to talk about is this eyeshadow palette, and as you can see from the state of the beautiful palette that I have made of it, I absolutely use this palette a lot, whether it is on my clients, whether it is on myself. This Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia is so pigmented. The formula of these shades is, they're just so amazing, whether they are matte shades or they're shimmer shades. They go on beautifully on the eyes. What is best and what I love about this is it's got all these shades that are just fantastic crease shades. I mean, we don't, for our Indian skin tone, for the kind of clothes we wear, especially to weddings and things like that, and just in general, even if you're going out on a night out, I can see 3 different shades in here that I can pair with a black smoky eye, for example. This palette is so versatile. You can create so many looks by just owning this one single palette. So definitely one of my all-time favorites. This is not just a current favorite. I recommend this palette to every single person who comes to me and who asks me which is the one eyeshadow palette should I buy. The next product I want to talk about is this product right here. It is Get the Pretty Started, which is a bronze blush and highlight palette from Benefit. This, the reason I bought this was actually because it has their famous Hoola bronzer right here. If you don't know, this is like the most hit, most amazing, top rated bronzer in all of the world. And after buying this palette, I absolutely do 100% agree that this bronzer is so fantastic. I mean, when I apply it, my skin just looks very different. It just looks bronzed, but in a very soft way. It also comes with this like orange blush, and this is a cream highlighter right here, like you can see. So definitely one of my current favorites right now, and I think the Hoola bronzer is going to be one of my all-time favorites, but let me see, not yet. The next product I want to talk about is this finishing powder by NYX. This is the no filter finishing powder. Basically this powder is not a powder foundation. It is just a very sheer finishing powder that has shimmer particles in it. So even if you apply just concealer to conceal your, you know, maybe you have a blemish or little under eye circles, and that's all you want to apply, and then you just top it off with this powder right here, I think it looks beautiful. It gives a very nice sheen to your face. It is in fact what I have applied today on my face on top of my foundation and my concealer and everything. So definitely do check this out. This powder is surely one of my current favorites right now. The last 2 products that I want to talk about both happen to be lipsticks, and I didn't realize as I was picking products that I left 2 lipsticks for the end. First lipstick is this Dose of Colors lipstick in the shade Extra Saucy. It is the most perfect red blue shade I have ever come across. It is so beautiful, and when you apply it, and you know Dose of Colors lipsticks, they dry matte, and when they dry matte, they don't budge, they don't transfer, they don't move for the entire night. You can eat, drink, sleep, do whatever you want, and this lipstick is not going to budge. So this is what the shade is. I already have some foundation on my hand, so don't mind, but here, this is what the shade is. This is not showing up very properly right now, but it is a beautiful blue red lipstick, basically a red lipstick with blue undertones as opposed to orange undertones. So definitely one of my all-time favorite red lipsticks. I've already decided it. It's always going to be Finally, the last product and the next lipstick that I'm going to talk about is this NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the shade Soft Spoken. So this is an absolutely amazingly brilliant nude color that you can see right here. It is a cream lipstick, but it does tend to dry slightly matte, and as you can see, it is a very nice rose tinted nude. It's a pinky nude and it suits our Indian skin tones extremely well, but it stays put, it doesn't budge, and which is why this is one of my current favorites right now. I have been wearing this nude lipstick everywhere I go. So that's it guys, we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the product details that I have mentioned are in the description box below, and if you want me to do more videos like this, then definitely give this video a thumbs up or leave your comment in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to make them for you. So that's it guys, I'll see you in my next video.